Hello friends, how are you all? The second part is based on these many concepts, only few concepts. See, empty set, finite set, infinite set and equality of sets. And one exercise, let us complete that today. Okay. Is it visible? Okay. Empty set is one which does not have any element in it. A set which does not contain any element is called an empty set. It is also called as void set or null set. It is denoted by the two braces, flower brackets, no other brackets. Okay, there are many brackets, as you know, that curved bracket, box bracket, isn't it? But to denote empty set, we are considering only flower bracket or braces. Inside that two braces, there should not be any element. Also, it is denoted by that phi. Okay. For example, A is set of all x's such that x lies between 2 and 3 when x is a natural number. So, there should not be any number which lies between 2 and 3. It is not a natural number. So, it is not possible. So, event A is null event or empty set. Set A is empty set or null set. B, set of all x's, x is an even prime number greater than 2. Only one even prime number is 2, you know this. But more than 2, which is even number, cannot be possible. So, this is empty set. Finite set, a set which contain definite number of elements is called finite set. Empty set is a finite set, remember. For example, A, days of a week, months of a year, isn't it? These are all empty set. Or set B is set of all x's such that x square minus 16 is equal to 0. Or if you solve that, x square is equal to 16 means x is plus or minus 4. So, plus 4 and minus 4 are the two elements of B. So, it is finite. Infinite set, a set which contains infinite number of elements is called infinite set. Suppose set P is the set of all points in a line, the set of all points on the line. A line contains infinite number of dots, infinite number of points, isn't it? There are plenty of examples are there. Stars in the sky, water molecules in a glass of water, etc. Equality of sets. Two or more sets are said to be equal if they have exactly same elements. The number of elements in a set should be same and the elements also should be same. The equality of set. If A is ABCD and B may be BCDA, or if AB is equal to XY, then that implies X is equal to A or X is equal to Y, X is equal to Y is equal to A or Y is equal to B. The corresponding elements also same. Okay. So, these are the concepts. As you know, in the next week there will be a 25 marks test for you. The topic is statistics. There are 5 questions of 2 marks. Actually, there will be 6 questions, one is option. 5 marks, you have to answer for 5 marks, which carries 2 marks each, totally 10 marks. 5 marks questions, you have to answer for 3 questions, totally 15 marks. So, maximum marks you can obtain is 25 marks. Okay. 1.2 exercise. First one is, which of the following are null sets? Some 4 examples are given. You have to mention which is null set and which is not. Set of odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers means, suppose if you denote this by A, odd means 1, 3, 5, isn't it? This is not empty. Set of even prime numbers. Suppose this is 2. 2 is even as well as prime. Set of all x's such that x is less than 5, x is greater than 7, where x is a natural number. There is no such number which is less than 5 and greater than 7 simultaneously. So this is null set. Okay. Y, set of all y's. Y is a point common to any parallel lines. Suppose there are 2 parallel lines, there cannot be a common point because parallel lines never intersect in 2-dimensional plane. So this is also null set. First 2 are not null sets, whereas C and D are null sets. Second question, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? The set of months of a year. Set of months of a year. This is January, February, you know this. So on up to December. So this is finite. There are only 12. So this is finite. Finite set. Second one, 1, 2, 3, so on. This dot indicates it is extended infinitely. So this is infinite. This set is infinite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100. Greater than 100 means 100 and 1, 102, so on up to infinity. This is also, this is 101, 102, so on. So this is infinite. 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. Up to 100 means this is finite. The set of prime numbers less than 99 means 3, 5, so on up to, this is also finite. Okay. Third one, state whether finite or the following statements are finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. How many lines you can draw? It is infinite, isn't it? Suppose this is a coordinate axis. You can draw infinite number of parallel lines. So this is infinite. The set of letters in English alphabet. There are only how many? Finite. Set of multiples, set of numbers which are multiples of 5. This means 5, 10, 15, so on. No end it is. So infinite. This is also infinite. The set of animals living on the earth. So this is finite. Even though this is very big, but you can count that with various methods. So it is not infinite. The set of circles passing through the origin. The set of circles passing through the origin. how many circles can be drawn? So this is infinite. That is also infinite. So only second and fourth are finite, remaining three are infinite. State, next fourth question, state whether A is equal to B or not. There are two sets are given, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A. Even though orders are not same, but A is equal to B, both are same. 4, 8, 12, 16. 8, 4, 16, but 12 is not in B, 18 is not in A, so A and B are not same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, x is a positive integer less than or is equal to 10. X is a positive integer less than or is equal to 10 means this is 1, 2, so on up to 10, whereas it is even number. Suppose x is a even positive integer, then that will be same, but here A and B are not same. X is a multiple of 10, B is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on, means this 15, 25 are not multiple of 10, so A is not equal to B. Are the two sets A and B equal? Give reasons. See, A is 2 and 3. A is a set of 2 and 3. B is set of all x's such that x is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6. This is fixed, you need not find anything here, but here you have to get the values of this set, elements of this set. That means x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 2 into x plus 3, isn't it? After factorization you will get this. So this implies x is equal to x plus 2 is 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, B is equal to minus 2 minus 3, whereas A is 2 and 3. Therefore, A is not equal to B. Okay. Second question, x is set of all x's such that x is a letter in the word follow. Follow means F, O, L and W. Okay. See, 2O, 2L. They are not distinct. Only the distinct letters are F, O, L, W. The letter in the word wolf means W, O, L, F. So A and B are same. From the sets given below, select the equal sets. You have to compare. That is 2, 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12, 14. A and C are not same. What about A does not matches with any other set. See, B and D are same. B and D are same. Okay. E and G are same. E and G are same. Only two. Remaining are not equal sets. Okay, this completes 1.2. Let us consider the next concept in the next video. Okay.